making squishies. Hey guys, it's me. I'm going to be making a squishy today. Yay! Let's get started. What you need is scissors, tape, and this is not an actual squishy. This is like a stress ball, a plastic bag, Play-Doh, and I need to do my homework soon, so here's the color. Yeah. I'm using a mini Play-Doh just because I want to make a smaller stress ball. Roll it up in like a ball. Here's the actual color, see? There. Then you have to like squeeze it to like the front. Then you have to like push the rest in. I have a great video planned for the weekend. Great. I have to do it on the weekend because it's a day in the life of Baby Alives, of the Baby Alives, or the Reborns, one of them, or American Girl Dolls. Comment down below if you want Reborn, Baby Alive, or AG, or 18-inch. So comment what you want me to do. A day in the life, a morning routine, a night routine. Okay, so when you do that, you have to get, you could do 2 or 3, but I like to do 3 for more, so it's more secure. And also the tape, it also like helps you, like, my auntie, she orders lipstick, like Kylie something lipstick, and then I get the foam that comes in the bag. So yeah, and then in tape, I learned from Kelly Maple, it gets like really like squishy and slow rising if you put tape on it. So yeah, so when she gets more foam, or if I could find more foam that I have, I'm gonna make a video on actual squishy making. And then tape it right here so it's like more and more secure. And then you want to do another tying, so I'll see you then. So I tied it more, now I'm going to put my tape. Now you're going to cut the rest of the plastic bag, like right there. And I'm going to use this. There we go. The lid. Here it is. How squishy it is. There's a hair on it. Oh. Okay, look. I'm gonna go try to look for foam, but here's my squishy. So I'm gonna do like a little like ending of it. Bye! Materials. Here's the squishy.
This is stretchable. Oh, use this stretch. No.
Bye!